यस, रागिनी MMS2 और मैं तेरा हीरो के कंबाइंड सक्सेस बैश में कहीं नजर ना आने वाली सनी लियोनी के ये डांस मूव्स देखने को मिले अगले ही दिन उनके लेटेस्ट मैगजीन कवर की अनवीलिंग पर। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं इस कवर पिक्चर में सनी इज पोजिंग विद अ मेल मॉडल जो कि सनी के पेट बने नजर आ रहे हैं। बट इंटरेस्टिंगली सनी और उनके हबी डैनियल के मुताबिक ये है अब तक का बेस्ट कवर फॉर सनी।
This is by far the sexiest and hottest cover I've ever seen.
It's my favorite cover so far.
खैर, कमिंग टू सनीज एब्सेंस फ्रॉम एकता's स्टारी सक्सेस बैश, सनी ने रिवील की ये इनसाइड स्टोरी।
I was there. You know what? I just got off a plane yesterday night, and I went home, dropped my luggage off, and I went to the success party. And by the time I got there, everybody was well into having lots of fun. But I did get to go there. It just wasn't for the media. Unfortunately, my flight was late.
जी हाँ, सनी ने बताया कि US से उनकी फ्लाइट लेट आने के चलते she reached late at the success bash, but she did attend it.
Actually, Varun Dhawan is missing you and he wanted to have a night out with you. So your reaction on that?
I met him. He didn't say anything like that.
जहाँ वरुण धवन से इंटरैक्ट करने के साथ ही उन्होंने एकता कपूर के साथ भी काफी एंजॉय किया, denying the rumors of any kind of rift between her and Ekta.
No, none of that is true. I saw her last night at the success party, and we had a great time. Ended with big hugs and kisses, and you know, it was a great time. We don't have any issues like that at all.
और रूमर्स की बात उठी ही थी तो अप्रैल फूल्स के दिन आए सनी और उनके हबी डैनियल के बीच डाइवोर्स होने के रूमर्स पर भी हमने जाना सनी और डैनियल का रिएक्शन।
On April Fool's, there was this rumor of a split. So how does that affect your personal afterwards?
Okay, so I don't know what date today is. I got upset.
Well, actually, I woke up to a call from the Bombay Times asking me if it was true that we were getting a divorce, and I
And
rolled
then
over. I
his-
was like, "Oh my God, is there something that I need to know?"
And then his mother called, and then
my
all
mother called and said, "I just read a horrible article," and then our friends called, and I was like, "I need to wake up and figure out what's going on."
but his mother's like, I read 2 interesting articles today. You're having a baby and you're getting divorced. The baby part I liked, the divorce I don't know about. But again, for me, April Fool's wasn't something that I was thinking about. And of course, this is, you know, my husband, my family. I have to protect it.
है गुड टू नो दैट प्रोफेशनल लाइफ की तरह ही पर्सनल लाइफ में भी सनी है इन अ हैप्पी स्पेस एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू अ ब्राइटर फ्यूचर।
My dream role is just to work. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है that I want to do one thing or another. I just want to make good films. I want to make films that people are interested in. I want to work with actors that want to work with me. But at the top of my list would be like Amir Khan.
एंड लास्टली बॉलीवुड में और ज्यादा आगे जाने के लिए अपनी हिंदी पर कितनी मेहनत कर रही हैं सनी, इसका एक लाइव एग्जाम्पल भी दिखा दिया सनी ने।
Are you working on your Hindi?
हाँ, आप सब मेरे साथ इंग्लिश बोल रहे हो। So what am I gonna do? मुझे हिंदी आती है।
चलिए, with all these efforts, Sunny seems to be all set to make her space in Bollywood. Here's wishing good luck to this baby doll. सुरुचि महतपुर करकोरे, जिंक, मुंबई।